Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal, and I've been gone for a very, very long time, like 4 months. Last post was in November of 2020, and it is actually March 2nd right now. So I figured it was about time for me to actually do another video. So here we are, and I don't have a lot of updates as far as the Vanderhaal itself. I have been repairing my CV joint or CV boot fairly regularly lately. I don't know why. The first time I did it, it held up for like 7,000 miles. Like literally I did it at the 7,000 mile mark when I did an oil change, and I didn't do it again till almost the second oil change. At least the second oil change I did. So I don't know what happened, but I've redone my little Band-Aid trick for the CV boot 4 times now, and yeah, I think this time I finally got it to where it's gonna hold up for a while. We'll see how long it takes. I've done a little bit different technique every time I've done it, and sometimes it lasts a couple thousand miles, sometimes a couple hundred miles. I don't really know. No rhyme or reason for it, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, I'm not gonna bore you with that. I am gonna talk to you about some updates that are coming up. We have grown our North Texas Vanderhaal club, North Texas Vanderhaal owners on Facebook, to a pretty big group. We have been having about once a month meets, pretty much every month since last November. We did a December meet for Christmas, even though I didn't take my Vanderhaal. Sorry, family. We did a January meet. We did a February meet right after the snow apocalypse here in Texas. So a lot of us didn't drive to it. We just met up and had lunch. But there were a bunch of us. There were 17 people there. Only a few Vanderhaals, of course, because it was not the best weather. But this month, March, we're going to have a pretty good one going over to Cars and Coffee here in South Lake, Texas. And hopefully have a pretty good group. Hopefully the weather's nice. It's beautiful right now. This is amazing. I have a jacket on because it's a little chilly in the shade, but in the sun it's beautiful. And yeah, so just a quick update on kind of what's going on. I've been very busy. I got a real job for a while and kind of slowed down posting videos. Then I quit that real job and I'm back to painting RC car bodies for a living. So figured I probably should take the time to make a video. I do have a couple things coming, like maybe a top, maybe. You'll just have to stay tuned for future videos to see what I'm talking about. This is not going to be a top that I've created. I kind of gave up on that whole idea. I've committed to just the open top, no shade lifestyle. I've tried a couple different things. None of it ever worked out, or the people that were going to help me never could get around to fitting me in their schedule. So no top for me as far as my design, but I do have one actually sitting right over there off camera that I'm going to install that is someone else's design and give you a full review of it, what I think about it, what I like or dislike or whatever. I haven't actually fully installed it yet, to get an idea of what that is like. But other than that, yeah, at some point I'm going to get this stack of wheels over here that have been here for many, many months. I'm going to get that stack of wheels powder coated to a different color to kind of go with the theme of this whole Vanderhaal. Eventually, again, they've been sitting there for months. I don't know when I'm going to do that, but soon. So that's kind of it. Just been really busy. Haven't had a lot of time to do anything, or have had time but haven't really wanted to. Maybe lack of motivation. I don't know. But we're going to get back to it, posting regular content. I don't know how often, but more often than once every 4 months, because that was a long time to not be making a YouTube video. Some of you noticed I do have ads that come up on the videos, and I do make a tiny, itty, little bitty, tiny amount of money, enough that it makes sense to at least make a video every now and then. So I'm gonna keep doing it. I appreciate all you guys watching. Half of your family and friends that watch, and when you watch and you see those ads, killing it over here. I'm making a ton of money, like almost $100 a month usually. So, you know, keep it coming. Anyways, that's kind of gonna be it. Just a quick little update. Just wanted to put some info out there. We will get back into more content. I'll do that review of the top that I have coming. I'm going to start making some parts again. I'm probably going to get back into making wind wings, the little wind deflectors for the sides. I'm probably going to make some more glove box doors. So I got a few little things that I'm going to start working on now that I am working from home again. Posting more videos more regularly. We've got some cool drives coming up. Again, the one this month for cars and coffee, and then some other bigger ones already scheduled for the year. Hopefully we're going to get into lots more, and hopefully my CV boot stays together, stops leaking grease. Yeah, so that's going to be it for today, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here.